Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am back today to do an unboxing of my September BoxyLuxe. If you don't know what BoxyLuxe is, it comes from the company Boxycharm, which is a monthly subscription service. It's usually beauty, makeup related. Luxe has some skincare and lifestyle stuff. I have been subscribed to Boxycharm for, gosh, probably almost 4 years, I've been doing BoxyLuxe here for, I think, 2 years, and I really enjoy the service. I just have so much stuff now that I'm really kind of contemplating, you know, putting a pause to it because I just have accumulated so much stuff that I haven't even gone through. But it's always an exciting day when I get a BoxyLuxe, so I hope you'll come unbox it with me. This is going to be my second upload in a row. So if you missed yesterday's Fragrance Friday roundup, which is actually being premiered on a Saturday, I will put a card here or here. I'm not sure which side it comes, but go ahead and check that out before you go. If you are interested in trying Boxycharm, I will put a referral link down below so you can give it a try. In terms of pricing, BoxyLuxe is I believe $49. It's quarterly though. The base box, I do a 3-month payment at a time, so I get a slight discount. I believe it's $21 a month, and you usually get, in regular Boxycharm, you get about 4 to 6 items, full-size items, and they can range, like I said, from skincare to makeup to hair care. And then BoxyLuxe, you get between 8 to 10. Lately, it's just been 8. I think Boxycharm is kind of struggling to find enough things to stick in these boxes. So let's see what I got. Okay, opening it up, you're always going to get this card right here. There's a million variations. As you can see, I got variation 104. So that's just letting you know that what I have in this box most likely won't be in your box or the next reviewer's box that you get. But you can always find out on the bottom what kind of variation you have. And what this does is it just tells you what is inside your boxy, and it tells you how much. Okay, so opening this, I'll go through the biggest box here. This is Team I, or Teamy, tumbler on the go. I'll open this up for you guys so you can see it, but it looks like it's just a filtered tumbler here. Not really excited about this. I guess this goes into the lifestyle category. So nice, pretty purple color. Oh, okay. So I guess I'll have to figure out how to use this bad boy. But this is a tumbler on the go from Teamy. Let's see. They say that this is, okay, it says it's a tea tumbler. Stay healthy on the go with this cute on the go Teamy tumbler. Easy to use. This tumbler is made of BPA-free plastic and is double walled to ensure your Teamy is kept warm for up to 4 hours. And this retails for 25 bucks. Well, I'm sure I'll use it. I wouldn't normally pay $25 for this, but hey, let's see what else. Okay, next is from TAN-LUXE. This is the Gradual Illuminating Gradual Tan Lotion. And this is 8.45 fluid ounces. Just a regular kind of packaging here. It says, welcome to tailor-made tanning, a unique oil and lotion hybrid to smooth and condition the skin while delivering a supernatural glow. Color develops in 1 to 2 hours, leaving a delicate, undetectable tan. Doesn't seem like it's super thick. Let me open it and just get a little sniff here. I'm kind of intrigued by this. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a kind of like a citrusy lotion. Awesome. Let's see what it says. TAN-LUXE, the Gradual Illuminating Tanning Oil. I already read what it says. This retails for $33. $33. So something that I can use during the fall and winter time to get a little glow. I will definitely use this. Okay, the next is from a brand I've never heard before. I think it's CUCCIO SOMATOLOGY Yoga. I'm not lying, it really says yoga. Calm & Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. It says daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil, and this is 8 fluid ounces. A new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses, made with lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. How cute. I might check this out. We'll see. This might be something that I gift to somebody. Not gift, but you know, I usually, things that I don't use, I pass on to somebody else, because I'm somebody that is very, I don't know if you want to say OCD, but I'm very particular about how I want my body washes and my body lotions. And I love having a body wash that matches my body lotion. So I know I'm weird, but we'll see if I look at that or if I try this out. Boxy says a new shower cleansing body and hand wash ritual made to calm the senses. Pretty much what I've already said. This retails for $39.95. $39.95, $40 for this. Overpriced in my opinion, but maybe this will be the best body wash I've ever had. Okay, I can't remember if this was my choice item. I think this was my choice item or my add-on. I can't remember. This is the FARMACY Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. I'm excited about this, basically because I chose this. You can, with Luxe, you can often choose 1 to 2 items that are going to be in your box between, like, they'll say, do you want this or this? And I chose this FARMACY because I love FARMACY. Always looking for a great eye cream, although I have a zillion eye creams already. So this is what it looks like. It probably smells like cherry because everything that they have. I don't want to open it, but I'm going to. It has just the slightest cherry scent. So if you're not really into fragrance, you can still use this. Let's see. It says FARMACY Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. A super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. It says it's fragrance-free. I thought I smelled something. This retails for $45. And like I said, I love the brand FARMACY. They have really high quality items. I'm really excited to try this, especially because dark circles affect me a lot. And then also I'm always trying to do some anti-aging. So trying to reduce fine lines, I'm all about it. So that's the FARMACY Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. All right, the packaging on this looks like it was a little bent during shipping, but this is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. That is her line, and this is a highlight here, and it's in the color Metal Moon. Let's find out what color this really looks like. Oh, I like the packaging. Very nice and sleek. Oh, it's just a white highlighter. Interesting. It doesn't even look like it would be shimmery. Let's swatch it. So I just did a slight swatch here. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like a very subtle. I, again, didn't use a whole lot of product. I don't know if this is really gonna be my color. It doesn't look shimmery at all, to be honest. Now I'm gonna rub it in here. I don't know. I don't think that it says it's a Freestyle highlighter. So it says, light up where you want, when you want, with lightless longwear cream powder hybrid highlighters that range from subtle day glow to insanely supercharged in solo. So I guess you can build it up. But this doesn't look like it's going to be a color that I'm going to want to use. This retails for $36. Another eyeshadow palette. I already know I'm probably not going to keep this because I have like literally 20 palettes. So I do not need any more. I always get one in Boxycharm too. So if you are somebody that really needs palettes or wants to experiment with a bunch of different palettes, Boxycharm is your box. And this is from ELOISE, and this is called The Queen, and it says a queen lies in all of us. And let's see, this retails for $46. Let's take a look. Ooh, really pretty colors. I love the brights with some of the fall. You can do some fall looks here, but I love the pops of color that they have. Those are really pretty. And it looks like they have some shimmers, a little bit of metallics, some mattes. Very nice, very nice. Someone's gonna be happy when they get this from me. This is from 111 Skin, and this is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. And let's see, it looks like there's 5 of these 24 karat. I don't know if you can see it with the light behind, but looks like this is a brightening facial treatment mask. And let's see, you leave it on for 20 minutes. I like that there's 5 in here. I love wearing sheet masks, so I'm really excited to try this out. And let's see, this is, holy moly, this retails for $135. $135. This box is $49. $135. So this in itself, would I ever pay $135 for 5 face masks? Heck no. And that's putting it lightly, but am I excited to try this? Yes, I am. And I'm so glad I don't have to pay $125 or $135 for it. So this is from 111 Skin. Okay, and the last item is from Persona. Never heard of them. This is a vegan gluten-free lip gloss. And this is in the color Toffee. This is the Toffee color. I like the packaging. Looks a little dark, but let's check it out. It has like a chocolate scent to it. Ooh, I like this. Let me show you guys the swatch on my hand. This is perfect for fall. Look at that nice glossy color. I think this is gonna complement any sort of skin type, any sort of skin color, I mean. But this is just, gives a really nice sheen of color. Doesn't feel tacky when I touch it. Oh, a little tacky. I don't usually like tacky, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. So that is Persona lip gloss, vegan and cruelty free. And this retails for $16. Pretty kind of small packaging though. So it's pretty small amount of stuff, but it retails for $16. All right, everybody, that was my September BoxyLuxe. Total together, you're looking at $376 worth of product, and you're paying $49. That's a pretty great deal. I feel like Boxycharm is just a really great way to try different brands, try different items that you never thought that you would kind of enjoy. And wow, my shirt looks really wrinkly. But it's just a great service to explore different types of colors that you wouldn't usually use, types of skin care. And I just think that it's a really great, if you're going to have a beauty box or a beauty subscription, I think Boxycharm just gives better quality than any of the others. So check it out if you're interested. Again, the referral link will be down below. Overall with this Luxe, and again, you're coming from somebody that has a lot of stuff already. So I'm probably not going to be as excited as if I had gotten this as my first box or my 5th box, but this is like a lot of boxes later. I can tell you I could have done without that tumbler, without the palette. Everything else I'm pretty excited about. So, I mean, 6 of the items, oh, actually I didn't really like the highlighter. So 5 of the items I'm excited about, and the other 3 I'll probably find homes for. So that is my take on the September BoxyLuxe. What do you think? Do you try Boxycharm? Are you interested in trying? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, and if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, everybody, thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.